Today's world can be complicated enough, so it's refreshing to find a kitchen appliance range that's really all about making your life easier by keeping things simple. Chef has been doing just that for more than 70 years, with its outstanding suite of gas, ceramic, electric and induction cooktops and built-in ovens. Now this great Australian company introduces two stylish new additions to its kitchen range. Straightforward and easy to use, this new electric 60cm ceramic cooktop embodies the chef philosophy of fuss-free cooking. It has 4 zones to play with and 6 power levels. The home cook can easily conjure up a feast for many or a simple meal for 1 or 2. The cooktop's control knobs are stylish, functional and simple to use. Safety features include a hot surface indicator, and when cooking is done, well, cleaning down this surface is an absolute breeze. Completing this practical duo is the new Chef 60cm multifunction oven, which is built in Australia. It has easy-to-use dial controls and will deliver fast, even cooking results. With an 80-litre capacity, this oven handles everything from a nice big family roast to simple comfort food for 2, like oven-baked pizzas. You'll really love the easy-to-install design. It has a 10-amp plug, so you really can just simply plug it into any domestic socket and start using the oven right away. And while simple and straightforward is certainly the chef credo, there's no compromise on style. The oven's new dark design is right on trend. With matte black finishes and dark class, it will certainly elevate the look of any kitchen. Want a proven chef by your side in the kitchen? Well, Chef Appliances deliver a cooking experience that's simple and enjoyable, eliminating the fuss so you're free to focus on the way you like to prepare food.